Hello, beautiful. I am going to show you a neat little trick I just learned from another advisor.
This is a test to see if
I'm going to take
my
my
AirPods
Electric Summer
work
paper
as a
pack,
microphone. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
and I'm going to choose the sprinkles paper. I don't know the official name for it, but it looks like sprinkles or confetti. I think it really looks like sprinkles. I saw a post where the advisor made an ice cream scoop. And I figured the sprinkles paper is probably the best. I think she might have used the same paper, I can't remember. So we are going to take our Cloud Border Maker cartridge and put it in our Border Maker system. We're going to use the paper guide to put the paper in so we have the perfect alignment and the perfect cut. And we are just going to go along. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole one side of the paper. And we have clouds, but these can be other things like bubbles or ice cream kind of end here, you'll see. Okay, so after that we take our medium circle from our custom cutting system and we're gonna find where the bigger little half circles are, and we're going to make those the ends of our ice cream scoop. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place that there. I'm gonna take my red blade and I'm not gonna cut all the way around. I'm gonna stop above the bubbles or whatever you want to call these little half circles. So I'm just going to make sort of a half circle, actually, maybe a little bit more than a half circle, and just look and see where I'm at here. Okay, after that, grab a pair of scissors. And I'm not really good at cutting freehand, so I'm gonna sort of cheat and cut this out first before I try to shape it like an ice cream scoop. I'll move this out of the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep this round and then meet the line that I cut with the custom cutting system circle. So I'm just gonna sort of go here and then I'll flip it over so I can see that line or that cut, and then I'm going to shape it a little bit rounder here. Okay, like I said, I'm not amazing at freehand cutting. That's why I like all the punches and border makers. But I thought this was so adorable, I could not pass it up. And then we cut the other side, like so. And you have a scoop of ice cream. So I cut out a few already, and I found some paper from another company that kind of looks like an ice cream cone or a waffle cone. And you just put your ice cream. This is some brown cardstock like chocolate. Maybe you have a triple. And there you have your scoop of ice cream. This is from another advisor. Her name is Sachiyo, and it's on the Creative Memories blog for step-by-step with photos. I happen to be scrapbooking this picture of my son at Salt and Straw. So this, I'm gonna go ahead and make this somehow into a layout. Thanks for watching.